If you've lost access to your SoundCloud account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover it by following these steps. This guide will help you regain access to your account using alternative methods. Step 1. Visit the SoundCloud login page. Go to the SoundCloud website and click on the login button. This will take you to the login screen where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will direct you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Enter your email address. In the password recovery form, enter the email address associated with your SoundCloud account. Make sure it is the correct email you used when you signed up. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for password reset email from SoundCloud. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the password reset link, create a new password for your account. Make sure it is strong and unique to enhance your account's security. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your SoundCloud account successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SoundCloud support for further assistance.